হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করছি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। ইংলিশ বাংলিশ চ্যানেলে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম।
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine, teacher. How are you?
Have you been to Hart for buying animal?
Yes, teacher. Last Friday I went to Hart with my father and we bought a big cow. The price of our cow is 2 lakh. And I have informed it to all of my friends. Our cow is very healthy. This is the biggest cow in our area.
Oh, good. Dear all of my students, animals are for sacrificing, not for showing off. If you are showing off like this, Almighty will never accept your sacrifice. Let me tell you an interesting moral story.
Wow, what a nice cow. Is this your?
Yes, sir, this is mine.
Wow, that's great. I have come today to buy a cow for Eid-Ul-Adha.
What kind of cow do you want, sir? What's your budget, sir?
Money doesn't matter because it's for a sacrifice, not for showing off people. I want to buy a healthy and mature cow.
I have all kind of cow, and you can choose anyone among these. I have more on another shed.
But these cows are not so healthy and not also looks mature.
No, sir, these cows are fully mature.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. You come here, look properly. You can check again.
This red one I want to buy.
Your choice is very good, but this white one is better than this one. Please take this one.
You are really great man. I think your choice is better than mine because you are an expert.
This is best for you.
Okay, I believe you. Now tell me how much this one.
I want to sell this cow 1 lakh, but for you this is only 90,000.
Okay, I believe you. I don't like to bargain because this is for sacrifice.
Thank you for believing me.
Okay, here is your money. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.
Oh no! What happened to my cow? My cow is dead. Cow seller cheated me. He gave me a sick cow. Oh no! Almighty will never forgive him.
Yes, today I won. It was a great day for me.
Sorry, I didn't notice you. Did you hurt?
Where is your eyes? You didn't saw me?
Sorry, as I told you, I didn't notice you.
Okay, it's okay.
Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Yes, stupid man didn't notice. I take his all money. Haha.
Oh no, where is my money? Oh no, that person stole all my money. I lost my all money. I'll never cheat it with anyone again. Greed and dishonesty are always punished. We sacrifice animal for Almighty, not for showing off people.